On Windows 10, setting up remote desktop is fairly straightforward. But before we get started, before really wasting your time, you need to know this important information. You can only connect to Windows 10 computers that are running Windows 10 Professional or higher. This means you can only connect to Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprise, the server editions, and so on. Additionally, the computers should both be on the same network. So if they're both on the same Wi-Fi, that should work. If you don't have Windows 10 Pro or higher, don't worry about it just yet. In a different video, I'm going to show you how to connect to other PCs by using other apps. And you don't have to be on the same network. So even if you're at work, you can connect to your PC as long as you have an internet connection. Alright, now that we are done with this, let's get straight to the point. The first thing you have to do is to enable remote desktop on the computer you're about to connect to. So let's say I'm going to connect to this computer, then I'm going to enable remote desktop. To do that, click the start button and then type remote desktop settings in the search field. And then from the search results, select remote desktop settings. And now toggle this switch to enable remote desktop. But one thing you will need is the name of this PC, because once you go to the other computer to connect to it, it's going to ask you for its name. That is the name of the PC you just enabled remote desktop on. To find out the name, click the start button and then type computer name. And then from there, you will see from the search results, it allows you to view the name of your PC. Something else you can do, you can right click the start button. That's right, right click and then select system from the list. And under device specifications and device name, you should now see the name of your PC. Alright, so now take note of it and now go to another Windows 10 PC to connect to this one since you now have the name. Okay, on the other Windows 10 PC that you are now on, click the start button and then type remote desktop in the search field. And then select remote desktop connection from the search results. And now enter the name of the computer you're about to connect to. So hopefully you took note of it and now you don't have to go back to the other computer again. Okay, now I'm going to enter the name and I'm going to click connect. And now it's going to ask you for additional info such as the username and password. And then from there, you can connect. And there you go. As you can see, I am now connected via remote desktop. So definitely for more simple, straightforward Windows 10 tutorials like this, please subscribe and thanks for watching.